Good day, everybody. My name is Jeffrey Beamer. I'm the Senior Investment Strategist over at ewotrader.com. Welcome to your Pro Trader Tips for today. And I talk about this a lot, and that's about consistency in your process. We're being very consistent in our process around earnings. And here we have another trade that we just got out of recently and actually just got into recently. So it was a very short-term trade. We're going to be looking at Shopify here today. This is trade ID 1339 on our Delta Neutral Breakout program. And we look for stocks that are going to make big moves, usually targeting stocks that move over 10%. Shopify is on our list, and you can see here right away with the results. It was a 24-hour trade. We were in on Monday, out on Tuesday. But let's get into the nitty-gritty here. So on Monday, November 11th, we came into our trade. All right, we have a long strangle here, and the stock chart on the left, of course, the risk graph for the option trade on the right. We bought the November 22nd, 93 call, 87 put strangle. The debit on this trade happened to be just under $1,000. Okay, so straddles and strangles tend to be a little bit more expensive on a per trade basis, and this one was about $1,000. And we were looking for the stock to make a move of at least 10%. I think they were pricing in, and by memory serves me correctly, we were pricing in about, that's where the options were trading, was about a 10% move. And we were expecting a bigger move than that. So the next day, we see the stock gapping higher, stock moving over 25%. You can see up in the upper left-hand corner in the blue banner up here. This was the current quote as we were sending out the exit alert to our clients. The stock was up $22, which was a 25% jump. One of the largest moves, one-day moves for Shopify ever. And the stock, as you can see, absolutely just exploded higher. And we then exited our trade. So I sent out this alert here where Shopify exceeded top line expectations and was going to see mid to high 20% growth for Q4. That sent the stock soaring over 25%. That generated some very nice profits. We exited the trade for a $2,046 credit, okay, which when you subtract out your debit, left us with a $1,078 profit. And that was a 111% return on risk in just 24 hours. So think about that. Being able to double your money in just 24 hours. That's the power of our Delta Neutral Breakout strategy. You can learn more over at ewotrader.com. That's your Pro Trader tip for today. Join us next time. We'll talk about another trade then. Everyone have a great trading week. I'll talk to you again soon.